जय श्रीमन्नारायण. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 6th చాప్టర్ ఆత్మ సంయమయోగము 35th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ గివింగ్ హిజ్ టీచింగ్స్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ అస్ ఇంక్లూడింగ్ అర్జున. కృష్ణ పరమాత్మ సేయింగ్ దట్ అర్జున, యాజ్ యూ సెడ్, మైండ్ ఈజ్ రెస్ట్లెస్. As you said, yes, it is very hard to control mind. But there are two ways that you can bring your mind under your control. One is, you have to tell your mind that thinking about Atma brings you unlimited happiness. Because Atma is an embodiment of joy. Because Atma has no any kind of contamination, pollution and any kind of grief. Because of all these great aspects related to Atma, Atma gives unlimited eternal joy. So these things you have to keep on telling your mind, and slowly let your mind incline towards Atma. That you have to keep practicing. The second one is Vairagyam. Other than Atma, whatever is there in this entire universe, there is a dosham, there is a dukkham, there is asasvatam, impermanent. These are the aspects there in all other objects other than Atma. So whichever the object that you take, there is very limited happiness, and there is an ending to that happiness, and there is some sort of grief is mixed in that happiness. So these are all the things that you have to continuously tell your mind about all the objects other than Atma. If you keep on remembering your mind about these things, slowly mind gets disinclined towards all other objects other than Atma. That disinclination, disinterest is known as Vairagyam. This is how keep on telling great things about Atma, and slowly let mind incline towards Atma. That you have to practice. And keep on telling all the bad about all other objects, and let your mind disinclined, disinterested towards other objects. That is Vairagyam. Arjuna, like this, if you keep on doing this abhyasam vairagyam, definitely you will be able to bring your mind under your control. This is how Sri Krishna Paramatma giving his teachings, while Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts. Now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. असंशयं महाबाहो मनो दुर्निग्रहं चलम् अभ्यासेन तु कौन्तेय वैराग्येन च गृह्यते. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service, Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Uddhava sharing all his divine memories of Sri Krishna Paramatma with Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, in that beautiful Saratkala season, Sarat Sisi Karaihi, when moon was spreading all his divine rays, and when the moonlight is so pleasant, in that night, when the entire sky was glowing, at that time, Sri Krishna Paramatma, Strinam Mandala Mandinaha, he invited all the Gopikas. He resolved to make sure all the Gopikas, their lives are attained the ultimate goal. He resolved to make sure that all the Gopikas attains the eternal happiness. In order to get that done, Sri Krishna Paramatma invited Gopikas, and within all those Gopikas, as an ornament, he stood right in the middle of all the Gopikas, in the center of all the Gopikas, and he is so attractive. He started captivating every Gopika's heart. Bhavya చాతుర్య భంగి త్రిభంగి యగుచు అబ్జనా భుండు. With all of his divine postures, with all of his different beautiful handsome postures, with all of his different beautiful looks, he started captivating all of their sensory organs and all of their mind, all of their buddhi, all of their heart. So like that, all the gopikas were attracted by Krishna Paramatma. They did rasa. Salilita mukha chandra chandrikal gopika nayana utpalamuku ananda musanga. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma gave them extreme amount of happiness, unlimited of joy, Brahmanandam he gave to gopikas. O Vidura, this Krishna Paramatma is the controller of all these worlds. Sarvalokeswareswara he is. Not only that, he is all over, Sarvantaryami. Not only that, he is the one who cannot be even reached, accessed to great Brahma and other devatas. Such Paramatma came down as Krishna and played with all these Nandavraja citizens and gave them such a highest amount of joy to all the gopikas. That is what is the miraculousness, that is what is the compassion of Paramatma. Like this, Uddhava sharing all divine memories of Sri Krishna Paramatma with Vidura. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Sri Madhurashtakam. గీతం మధురం పీతం మధురం భుక్తం మధురం సుప్తం మధురం రూపం మధురం తిలకం మధురం మధురాధిపతేరఖిలం మధురం మధురాధిపతేరఖిలం మధురం. ముకుందమాల. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయ గురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణే నామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 6th chapter 35th శ్లోక. అసంశయం మహాబాహో మనో దుర్నిగ్రహం చలం అభ్యాసేన తు కౌంతేయ వైరాగ్యేన చ గృహ్యతే. అసంశయం మహాబాహో మనో దుర్నిగ్రహం చలం అభ్యాసేన తు కౌంతేయ వైరాగ్యేన చ గృహ్యతే. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.